Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 linear equations in two variables. In that exercise 6.4, third question, given data. The data is an auto charge rupees 15 for first kilometer. An auto charge rupees 15 for first kilometer and rupees 8 for each subsequent kilometer. The hint is given, amount paid y is for a distance of x kilometer. Okay na? For a distance of x kilometer ఎంత అమౌంట్ పే చేశాడు, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ నా y. Okay, so clearly we don't know how much distance is there, how much amount is paid, we don't know the total distance. I mean, for a distance we are taking x kilometer and amount paid is what na y. Now based on this information I am going to write a linear equation with two variables. Clearly we are taken amount paid is y and a distance is what na x kilometer. Now by problem amount paid y is equals to, that is 15 plus 8 of x. 15 plus 8 of x. Okay now, so amount paid y is equals to 15 అనేది a charge for first kilometer and 8 is what na for each subsequent kilometer. So for a distance of x kilometer. So that's why by problem y is equals to 15 plus 8x. Now if I transpose y to RHS side, then what happened? Here 8x is there, plus y transpose to RHS side, it becomes minus y, and here plus 15 is there. Now this side 0 will come. So this is the required linear equation with two variables for this data. Now I'm going to draw the graph of the particular equation. Okay, see here, first of all I'm finding the points. I'm taking the equation is what na I'm taking we can write this one. After simplifying we will get like this, y is equals to 15 plus 8x will come. Okay, first of all I am taking here, in the place of x different values you take. If x is equals to 0, then what happen? Y is equals to 15 plus 8 of 0, that is equals to 15. Okay na, that is equals to what na 15. Ante simply like this, y is equals to 15 plus 8 of 0 means that is 0 only, so y is equals to 15. So if I take x value is 0, then I will get y value is what na 15. And like that only we take here, if x is equals to 1, then what happen? Y is equals to 15 plus 8 of 1. Then y is equals to 15 plus 8 ones are 8. Y is equals to 15 plus 8 means what? That is 23. If x is equals to 1, the value of y is 23. Like that only we take the different values. If x is equals to 2, in the place of x I am going to take a different values 2, then what happen? Y is equals to 15 plus 8 of 2, then y is equals to 15 plus 8 2s are 16, then 31. Y is equals to 15 plus 16 means what nana? 31. That is 31. So we get many solutions. We get many solutions for a linear equation with the two variables. Now I am going to draw the graph. Only 3 points తీసేసుకొని graph draw చేస్తున్నా. See here, first of all, draw a Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane x dash, y dash, the common intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis, that is origin. So I get the values, I get the solutions like this: x comma y, x value is 0 means I get y value is 15, x coordinate is I taken 1 means the y value is 23, and x value is 2 means I get
31.
y value is 31. Okay, so clearly the y coordinate values are very big compared to x coordinate values. That's why I'm taking here scale
5.
on x-axis. Scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and on y-axis, I'm taking 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units. What I'm taking here, 1 centimeter is equals to
5, 7.
10 units, or that is our wish. తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? So now like this, on x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. O x dash, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, like that we can take it. Now on y-axis I am taking here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, I taken like this, and this side -10, -20, -30, -40, I taken like this. Now I am going to plot these points on this graph. So in first point, the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is what nana 15. 15 అంటే 10 కి 20 కి మధ్యలో ఒక మిడిల్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది, that is what nana 15. So we can take that is what 0 comma, that is what nana 0 comma 15. అంటే on x axis x coordinate is 0, on y axis y coordinate is 15. Next in second, if the x is 1, x coordinate is 1, and the y coordinate is I am getting 23. 23 అంటే 20 కి 30 కి మధ్యలో 10 లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న. ఆ 10 లైన్లో 1, 2, 3, ఆ థర్డ్ లైన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ అంటే x యాక్సిస్లో 1, y axis what nana? In y axis that is what 23. So then we can write is 1 comma 23. Next, if I take x value is 2, I get the y value is 31. X axis లో 2 అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది, +2, and you take like this. On y axis 31. 31 అంటే 30 కి 40 కి మధ్యలో 10 లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే we get here. Okay na? Okay students, we get many solutions for a linear equation with two variables. I taken here only 3 solutions. By joining these points I get a straight line, because of we conclude that in previous questions a graph of a linear equation with two variables is a straight line. So yes, we get a straight line. Okay na? So what is the equation now? The equation is 8x minus y plus 15 is equals to 0. Okay na students? So this is the graph of a linear equation with two variables. So this is the particular linear equation. Now from the question if the amount paid is rupees 55, this is the graph from the question. We know what is the equation. We write it like this: y is equals to 15 plus
8x.
8x. Okay, now in case 1 and case 2. The case 1 given the amount paid is y and x is what in a particular distance of x kilometer. Here y is corresponding for amount paid and x is corresponding for a particular distance of x kilometers. Okay. Now ఇక్కడ in case 1 given amount paid is 55. ఒకవేళ 55 రూపీస్ పే చేస్తే how many kilometers they traveled, ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ట్రావెల్ చేశారు అంటే 55 is equals to 15 plus 8x. ఓకే, నా ఈ 15 ని ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా, దెన్ 55 minus 15 is equals to 8x. Then 55 minus 15 means that is what? 40 is equals to 8x. Then 8x means that is 8 into x. Then transposing to LHS side, it becomes a division quantity. And that is 40 by 8. 8 ones are 8 5s are 40. So therefore x is equals to what? 5 kilometer. అంటే 5 kilometers కి ఎంత పే చేశాడు అక్కడ? 55 rupees. Because of 15 అనేది ఫిక్స్డ్ అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ 5 kilometers కి సబ్సిక్వెంట్ వచ్చేసి ఎంత 8 రూపీస్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 15 అంటే 55. మ్యాచ్ అయింది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ కేస్ 2 for 7 kilometers, a distance of 7 kilometers. 7 kilometers కి ఎంత అమౌంట్ పే చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది? ఇక్కడ 7 అంటే x is corresponding for 7 అంటే for a distance. So that's why I'm taking y is equals to 15 plus 8 of, in the place of x I'm going to take 7. Then y is equals to 15 plus 8 7s are 56. Now y is equals to 15 plus 56 means 60 71. So how much amount is paid now? Rupees 71 is paid for the 7 kilometers. So this is the required solution for the graph question nana. So you too try the different problems what are in our exercise. Okay, so the problems are very lengthy but the solution is very easy. So you too draw the graphs on the graph paper only, you will get the perfect shape. Okay students, thank you.